Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to merge cells here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Smartsheet does not support the ability to merge cells in the same way that tools like you are used to. For example, if you're using Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. However, you can achieve a similar effect using a few alternative methods depending on your needs. Now, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, go to the file that you wanted to work with. In my case, I'm going to be clicking on this file. Now, one method is wrapping text in a single cell. Okay. Now, for example, if you wanted to put in a long data here on the specific cell, right here, you see, you can drag this if you wanted, but since it's already, the pane is on freeze, so we have a separate video on how to freeze a pane or a column. You might want to check that. But if you wanted to merge this into a clear cell, just click on the wrap, so you can make all text visible within a cell by displaying it in multiple lines. You see that? That's one way, right? Now, for example, I'm going to put in something here. Now, let me create another column to the left, right? Just maybe a text and number. Let me do that. Okay, so for example, this one, deep lefts. Now, if you wanted to merge these cells, deep and lefts, I'm going to use a simpler formula, all right? I'm going to type in equal sign, all right? And I'm gonna click on the specific cell for deep, all right? And then now I'm going to put a plus sign and select the another cell, which is the lefts, right? And press enter. You see, we have already merged these two cells in one single cell. All right, now, for example, you wanted to add some space between deep and lefts. You can't do that here. So you need to double click the cell. Right now, this is very simple, don't worry, because put the space, put this symbol, space, symbol, and press enter. Now, if you see the unperceivable error, don't worry, because all I'm gonna do is put in another plus sign, press enter, and voila, you have already put a space between deep and left. Now, for example, I wanted to put in this one right here so we can have like a three. I wanted to merge this three cells. All right, so I'm gonna double click again on the formula, and then you just have to follow this syntax. Okay, so from here we need to put in a plus sign, okay, space, plus sign, quotation marks, and another plus sign, and select this specific cell and press enter. Voila, we already have the we've managed to merge these cells into one. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.